tomorrow.
Yes.
This one's ugly. Holy shit! Look at that rotate.
Let's go. Where?
Look at the sky. Look at the, can you see how it's turning? Wow, that is neat.
I'm scared.
Oh my god, it's rotating. That is incredible. That is awesome. It's okay. Calm down. Get in the house, Henry. Holy shit. The sky is actually turning. I can see it turning. It's rotating. Holy shit.
Let's go.
I'm okay. Get in the house.
Let's go.
Calm down, Aiden. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.